Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this algebraic equation. The equation we have 3 over m plus 4 over n is equals to 5. Here we need to find out the value of m and n. And here m and n belongs to the positive integer. So let's get started the solution. In the first step, I will going to multiply both the sides by m times n. 3 over m plus 4 over n is equals to 5 times m n. Now we're going to multiply this mm with this whole bracket. So mn times 3 over m plus 4 over n times mn is equals to 5n. Here this m and this get cancelled. Here n and this n get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get here, that is 3n plus 4m is equals to 5mn. Next step, I was going to take this 3n and 4m to the right hand side. 5mn minus 4m minus 3n is equals to 0. Now in the next step, I was going to express this term in this form. 5m bracket n minus 4 over 5 minus 3m is equals to 0. Here, if I'm going to multiply this 5m with this, so I will get 5mn minus, as I'm going to multiply this 5m with this term, so this and this get cancelled, so here we will get 4m. Next, I will going to add both the side 12 over 5. 5m bracket n minus 4 over 5 minus 3n plus 12 over 5 is equals to 4 plus 12 over 5 plus 12 over 5. Next, I will going to write this term same as 5m n minus 4 over 5, and here I will going to take common of 3. 3 bracket, here n is remaining, minus plus minus 3, 4 times give us 12 over 5 is equals to 12 over 5. And here I select 12 over 5 because I want the same this inner bracket value. So for that I guess this 12 over 5. So I will going to take the common of 3. So here I will get the same value of this bracket. Now I will going to rearrange it. N minus 4 over 5. 5m minus 3 is equals to 12 over 5. Now here this 5 is dividing, so it will going to be multiply both the side. 5 times n minus 4 over 5. 5m minus 3 is equals to 12 over 5 times 5. Here this and this get cancelled, and now here this I will going to multiply with this and this 5 with this. So here we will get that is 5n minus this and this get cancelled. Here 4 is remaining. Here 5m minus 3 is equals to 12. Now in the next step, I will going to take factors of 12. That is 1 times 12, 12 times 1, 2 times 6, 6 times 2, and 3 times 4, 4 times 3. This I will going to name it as case 1. This as case 2. This I will going to take it as case 3. Now first I will going to take this factor. Case 1, we have two factors. The expression we have that is 5n minus 4, 5m minus 3. And in replacement of this, I will going to take this first factor, 1 times 12. This I will going to rearrange it. So 5n minus 4 is equals to 1. 5m minus 3 is equals to 12. Now we're going to solve this expression for n. So 5n. Now I will going to take this negative 4 to the right hand side. 1 plus 4. 5n is equals to 5. And now here this 5 is multiplying, so it will going to be divided with the side. Here this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So here we will get n is equals to 1. Now we're going to solve this one for m. 5m, this I will going to take to the right hand side. 12 plus 3, 5m is equals to 15. This 5 is in multiplying, so it will going to be divide with the side. This and this get cancelled, and this is going to be cancelled out by 3. So here we will get that is m is equals to 3. This is our m value here we will get. Now next I'm going to take this 12 times once. 5n minus 4. 5m minus 3 is equals to 12 times 1. Now we're going to compare it. 5n minus 4 is equals to 1. 5m minus 3 is equals to 12. 5m minus 3 is equals to 1. Now we're going to solve this for n. 5n is equals to 12. This I'm going to take to the right hand side. So here I will get positive 4. And 5n is equals to 16. And this 5 is dividing with this side. 5n over 5 is equals to 16 over 5. This and this get cancelled. So here we will get that is 16 over 5. So here we get the non-integer value. So this case can be rejected. Now we're going to solve it out this one for m. 5m is equals to 1. This I'm going to take to the right hand side. Positive 3. 5m is equals to 4. Now this 5 is multiplying, so it will going to be divided with the side. Over 5 over 5. This and this get cancelled. Here m is equals to 4 over 5. So again we will get the non-integer value. So this case also can be rejected. Now I will going to solve it out case 2. The expression we have that is 5n minus 4, 5m minus 3, and the factor we have that is 2 times 6. Now we're going to compare here 5n minus 4 is equals to 2. 5m minus 3 is equals to 6. Here I will going to solve it out this expression for n is equals to 2, positive 4, and 5n is equals to 6. Now this 5 is dividing with this side, so here we will get that is n is equals to 6 over 5. So this is again we get the non-integer value. So this case also going to be rejected. Here this I'm going to solve this for m. 5m is equals to 6. This I'm going to take to the right hand side. So we'll turn to positive 3. 5m is equals to 9. Now this 5 is dividing both the side. This and this get cancelled. Here we'll get m value that is 9 over 5. So again here we'll get the non-integer value. So this case also going to be rejected. Now I will going to take the other factor of the second case, that is 6 times 2. Question we have 5n minus 4, 5m minus 3 is equals to 6 times 2. I'm going to compare it here. 5n minus 4 is equals to 6. 5m minus 3 is equals to 2. Now, I will going to solve it out this for n. 5n is equals to 6. This I will going to take to the right hand side. Positive 4. 5n is equals to 10. And here this 5 is dividing with this side. This will going to be cancelled out by 2. So n is equals to 2. This is a positive integer. So now we're going to solve it out this for m. This I'm going to take to the right hand side. Return to positive 5m is equals to 5. Here 5 is dividing both the side. This and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. Here we'll get that is m is equals to 1. So here we get the positive integer. Now I'm going to solve it out case 3. The case 3 factor we have that is 3 times 4. The expression we have that is 5n minus 4. 5m minus 3 is equals to 3 times 4. Now we're going to compare it. 5n minus 4 is equals to 3. 5m minus 3 is equals to 4. This I will going to solve it out for n again. 3, positive 4, 5n is equals to 7. And now this 5 is dividing both the sides. So here we'll get n is equals to 7 over 5. Here we get the non-integer n value. So this case going to be rejected. Now this I'm going to solve it out for m. 4 plus 3. 5m is equals to 7. Now 5 is dividing. Here this and this get cancelled. M is equals to 7 over 5. Again, we'll get the non-integer value of m. So this case also going to be rejected. Now I will going to take the other factor of this 4 times 3. 5n minus 4. 5m minus 3 is equals to 4 times 3. Now we're going to compare here. 5n minus 4 is equals to 4. 5m minus 3 is equals to 3. This I was going to solve it out for n. 4 plus 4. 5n is equals to 8. Here this 5 is dividing both the side. This and this get cancelled. N is equals to 8 over 5. So here we get the non-integer value of n. So this case is going to be rejected. This I'm going to solve for m. 3n plus 3. 5m is equals to 6. This 5 is dividing both the sides. This and this get cancelled. M is equals to 6 over 5. Here we get again the non-integer value of m. So this case is also going to be rejected. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.